The Maverick is in a good mood this evening. Yes. As we welcome to the shores of Jamaica, West Ham United, and the new reggae boy striker, Michail Antonio. In Jamaica, we have a saying, nothing happen before it's time, and it's never too late for a shower of rain. Yes. It has been in the making for a long time. People started to doubt if it would ever happen. But there's a thing called destiny. And maybe this year, 2021, will be the year that Michail Antonio leads Jamaica into the World Cup finals. Welcome again to Jamaica. How many countries across the world can boast having the leading goal scorer in the EPL in their World Cup qualifying squad? How many countries? One country right now, and that country is Jamaica. Yes. It's just a pity you can't make the trip to Mexico and Costa Rica, but we understand the circumstances. Right about now, your focus must be this first game against Panama on Sunday. Bala, this one name must win. All right, I'm going to teach you a thing about Jamaica now, Bala. Yeah, here why you pre-Bala. Yeah, we're going to kick out some teeth Sunday evening. Yes. We're going to kick out some teeth, Bala. Yeah, as we say, this is the Maverick welcoming Michail Antonio to the shores of Jamaica.